Now I'm gonna show you how to make the best aguachile on a hot summer day. Let's get to it. Cocina. This is about a pound of shrimp. We're gonna start by peeling the shrimp, keeping the shells for the stock. And then we cut them in half, taking the vein out. We're gonna salt these bad boys for 5 minutes, just enough water to cover the shells, and let it cook until it comes to a boil. Give the goodies a quick rinse. Let's get about a cup and a half of lime juice. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and then we strain our shrimp stock. To make the aguachile, we're gonna start by cutting half a cucumber, one whole red onion, keeping 1/4 for the aguachile. I like to get rid of the heart of the onions. It has a strong bitterness. Place the onions on an ice bath. Rough chops 2 serrano peppers, 2 jalapeños, 1 whole avocado. And now let's start making our aguachile. 1 cut of our red onions, the cucumbers, the serrano, jalapeños, half a bunch of cilantro, add the lime juice, half a cup of shrimp stock, ice to chill. I'm gonna add my own umami seasoning, aka MSG. You'll be surprised how powerful this is. Add 1 tablespoon, we blend, we give it a taste, pass it to a strainer. It feels like it gives a nice clean taste to it, but this is optional. Just watch the nuttiness, the beauty of the sauce. Let's get the red onions. Now we drop all the vegetables as you please. Wow, look at that. Now we cut the corn tortillas. Fry them on a medium heat. You guys ready for this? I know I am. Place the chips all around us as you like. Delicioso.